Hey everyone, let's dehydrate some onions. I love having dehydrated onions in my pantry. They are perfect for soups, stews, casseroles, and I especially love making homemade onion powder. It is the best. First, dice up your onions. You can slice them also. Get them onto your dehydrator trays. I probably could have used the silicone tray, but I was doing this outside, so I just wanted to have as much heat circulation moving in there. So I did not. They just fell through a little bit. No big deal. Got it set up outside on the bar, put it to 135 degrees. Mine took, I swear, I think it took about 15 hours. It took forever. But you'll know they're done when they're nice and crispy. Let me know if you have a secret trick or hack for how you do this. I put it onto aluminum foil and then was able to transfer it into my jar. That was 3 pounds of onions, 8 cups. I believe this jar is about 20 ounces. It's a recycled jar, but I believe that's about 20 ounces big. I am taking some now and I'm going to make that homemade onion powder. Doesn't take much at all to fill up my little jar. And there we go. Fresh onion powder. I am absolutely thrilled. There is nothing better than homemade onion powder. Give it a try, everyone. Let me know what you think. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. Have an amazing day.